Hello there. I am so happy you stopped by today. This is Danny from Danny's Dreams, and I am super excited to be here to share with you the January 2022 Sheetload of Cards. If you're new to my channel, Sheetload of Cards is a printable that is put out by my friend Call Me Crafty Al, also known Alicia. And each month she puts this out on her channel. You need to be a subscriber to her channel and then watch her video, and you can get this for free. It'll give you the supplies needed, how many cards it makes, the dimensions, the sketch, and a cutting guide to make the most out of your paper. And I've been on her team, her collab team before, and I took a little break, and then I played catch up and created a lot of Sheetload of Cards. And I'm happy to announce that I am back on the team starting today with January 2022's Sheetload of Cards. I'm also very honored that this sheetload was inspired by me and a card that I created. Alicia will share that card in her video. Again, everything is linked below. Then also we have a collab team that puts together their own sheet loads using this. I hope that you will take a look around Instagram and YouTube. It is now, you can find us through a special hashtag that is in my title, and it's also in the description box below. If you don't know about using hashtags, you can just click on it and it'll bring up all the videos that have that hashtag. Or if you like to just hop through each list, I will also have the list of all the collab members listed below in the description box. So on to my sheetload of cards that I created using this month's sketch and dimensions, and made 9 cards. I only have the stamp set to show you that I created with. It is from La La Land Crafts and it's called Happy Mail. These cute piggies. The paper that I used is probably, I don't know, 13, 14 years old. When I first got into stamping, I was in a company called the Angel Company, or TAC for short. It has long since gotten out of business, but I still have some hoarded paper. So my slogan for 2022 is spend less, create more. And so I'm trying to utilize what I have in my craft room. So on to my cards. Since this sheetload did make 9 cards, I made 3 sets of 3. The first set of 3 uses this little piggy at his typewriter, and it says, "Hello there." The next set of 3 uses this little piggy on his little scooter, or I think they're also called Vespas, maybe? So that's him writing bye to say hi. And then my last set of 3 has this little piggy sending you a letter, and it says hugs enclosed. So there are my 3 sets of 3, so 9 cards. I used one package of embellishments, but it had different sizes, so that's why they're all kind of different. I also switched up the sketch just a little bit, and I added another layer of cardstock behind this pattern paper because I thought it needed a little pop. Otherwise, I followed this sheet load pretty closely. I did use my scan and cut to cut those piggies out. I am still loving that machine. And I think that that's all I have to share today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure that you go to the description box, click on that hashtag, visit everyone, see what they created with this. And if you try it out, there's also hashtags listed on the printable that you can use so that we can find your cards, because we love to see what everyone else makes. And until my next video, go do something for yourself, get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have an amazing day.